Hello guys, in this video you will be briefed about different research terminologies commonly used in research books. Welcome, if you are new on this channel then press subscribe button and click on bell icon to get updates notification. Dear students, to start with qualitative research, let me tell you first about some research terminologies. Being a teacher, I observed my students having confusion about some commonly used research terms such as research paradigm, research methodology, research design, research method, research technique, research instrument, theoretical framework, and conceptual framework. The term I will introduce is research methodology. It includes theoretical and philosophical assumptions upon which research is based and the implications of these for the method or methods adopted. It is the entire constellation of beliefs, values, techniques, and so on shared by members of a given community. Worldview about research that is accepted by members of a particular community. It also dictates the nature of the research, such as positivism, post-positivism, interpretivism, and so on. According to Sekaran, a research design is a setup to decide on, among other issues, how to collect further data, analyze and interpret them, and finally to provide an answer to the problem. Sekaran has identified 6 elements of research design. Number 1, purpose of the study. Number 2, type of investigation. Number 3, extent of research interference. Number 4, study setting. Number 5, unit of analysis. Number 6, the time horizon. It is a bounded system. It involves techniques and procedures used to obtain and analyze research data. It should be selected based on the purpose of the research. For example, experimental research method, survey research method, or a case study research. Techniques or approaches applied within the method to collect data. A single method could employ a number of techniques. For instance, survey is a method, questionnaire is technique. It is a device to collect data such as lab instruments, questionnaire, researcher him or herself, interview guide, camera. Research is all about making right decisions. While planning research, researcher first needs to decide upon what will be his or her research methodology. Of course, based on the nature of the research problem. Then research paradigm such as positivism or interpretivism, which research design suits my research problem, qualitative or quantitative. Then deciding about method or methods, technique, and finally about research instrument. Theoretical framework in a study is based on an existing theory or theories. For example, a theory of motivation. It helps in relating your identified, specified variables. It represents context of studies which are based on particular theories, testing them or explaining them, or models based on previous studies. It is basically a plan of your study. The conceptual framework, on the other hand, is something you can develop yourself based on this theory. Conceptual framework is developed by the researcher to solve a particular problem that he or she wants to find solution. A general understanding is that conceptual framework is used more often with qualitative research, whilst theoretical framework is often used with quantitative research.